Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can scan and set channels on your TCL Android TV. So if you want to scan channels on your TCL Android TV, what you can do is you can either click on this TV application that is pre-installed on your TCL Android TV, or you can click on the options button right here on the source button. So on the source button you can go to TV, and in the TV, if you press the OK button, the middle button on the remote, it will prompt you to scan the channels right here. So you can connect the cable and then start scanning of the channels right away from here if you have connected the cable, or you can click options or you can go on the options button and then you can scroll down and go to the TV settings right below. And from here you can go to channel settings where you can adjust channels, and here you can see the channel scan. You can go to channel scan and you can select your country region if it is not already selected. You can do the automatic search, or you can also do the manual search here as well. So from here you can scan the channels, the analog channels for your TCL Android TV. You can also go to channel organizer if you have already scanned the channel to organize the channels on your TCL Android TV, or you can also do all of the other settings that are available here, like subtitles or channel diagnostics or teletext, all kind of settings which are required to you can change from here as well. So I hope this was helpful and this resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching this.